This video will explain the way that different assignments in this class are scaffolded. So the assignments in this class are scaffolded in that they start out with assignments that contain a great deal of guidance, for example, the guided practice exercises, and work up to assignments that have you doing more independent work, for example, the learning modules. So the workflow for each module goes as follows. So first, you'll complete the reading assignments and watch the video lectures for the module. Next, you will complete the concept check for that module. The concept check, as we said, it assesses whether you have a basic understanding of the concepts of the module and are ready to start applying those concepts. Once you understand the basic concepts for the module, you're ready to start to try and apply these concepts. And you'll do that via the guided practice exercises. These exercises will walk you through the skills you need for each learning objective through a short written discussion and an example or two. Once you have practiced the skills for each learning objective, you're ready to try some similar problems on your own in the learning modules. Finally, after you have completed each learning module and are confident of your skills for the learning objective, it's time to test those skills under a time pressure in the timed assessments. This scaffolding, in other words, doing these assignments in this order, is essential to your success in the course, and thus it will be strictly enforced. So it will be enforced through Blackboard permissions. So if a concept check, guided practice, learning module, or timed assessment has a prerequisite, which is true of almost all of these assignments, then you must fulfill that prerequisite before doing the next thing. So if we look at what those prerequisites look like, here we can see, so here we're looking at the assignments for Module 2. So concept check, this concept check does not have any prerequisites. So this concept check is just available to you. But then you'll notice for the guided practice exercises, the prerequisite is that you've at least attempted concept check 2. Likewise, for each learning module, the prerequisite is that you've at least attempted the associated guided practice exercise. And then for the timed assessments, the prerequisite is that you have a grade of progressing or better on the associated learning module. In addition, certain modules the module itself has a prerequisite. So let me see if I can find one. So not Module 3, but Module 4 does. So the prerequisite is Module 3. So for that, the concept check also has a module. And there, the prerequisite will be a grade of mastery on concept check 3. Because in order to be able to do the work in Module 4, you really have to have at least a basic understanding of the concepts in Module 3. So that's why that is the prerequisite for this. And this will be enforced through Blackboard permission. So let me show you what it will look like from your perspective. So here is the Blackboard for the course from your perspective. So we'll go to the modules link. And so let's go to a module in the course. So we'll go to Module 2, because that's where it starts to have some prerequisites. Okay, so the concept check has no prerequisites because it doesn't say that it does. So that should be just available to us. But the guided practice exercises, they have a prerequisite. So you have to have attempted concept check 2 in order to be able to do that. And see if we go to that folder, we'll be able to open the folder, but it says there's no content to display. And that's not because there's no content there. The content is there, but it's not available to you until after you have submitted concept check 2. So I'm going to pause this video for a second. I'm going to take concept check 2, and then I'll come back and I'll show you how it's now there. Okay, so I have now submitted concept check 2. Okay. So now let's go and look in that guided practice, and there should be 5 guided practices now available to us. Voila! See? So that's how it will work. So once you've fulfilled the prerequisite for a given thing, which is all listed on the folder, it tells you exactly what you need to do. Once you have fulfilled that, then the next thing will become available to you.